Hey guys, you can look like me under $20 going to Target and thrift store shopping, because that's what I do. Add it, make sure it's you, and if you guys support my clothes and kind of want to dress like me, thank you so much. You guys are awesome.
So we have a ton of fan questions that came in, and a lot of it is about that they love your style and they want to know what your style influences are and who you look up to in that fashion sort of world.
In the fashion world, I kind of like to put my spin on everything that I see. So I like Ashley Simpson's clothes a lot. She kind of has a cool, funky style, and you know, I basically take someone's style and I make it my own, whether it's adding a scarf or adding accessories, because I'm really big on accessories.
Do you have a favorite place to shop?
Yes, I like Forever 21, H&M, and Urban Outfitters.
So excited.
A lot of new magic. A lot of, because the storylines just keep on getting better and better. Like, there's something new every week.
Alex's new thing is wearing peace signs, whether it's in her scarves, earrings, rings. Got it right here. So I think that's something cool that I want the fans and audience to kind of see if they can find in all the new episodes.
Part of the new episodes we're doing, I thought Justin can maybe, you know, change up his wardrobe a little bit. I thought he would wear these skinny ties, and I wear skinny ties in my personal life, so I thought this would be a cool little addition to Justin.
In the new episodes, you see a new side of Justin, and he's kind of got a more cooler side. I think my brothers are definitely like stepping up in all the new episodes. They look all cute.
Fashion tips from the cast of Wizards of Waverly Place.
What I love about jeans is it's something that anybody could own. You can dress them up or you can dress them down. In this case, I obviously dress this outfit kind of more up. I have a little dress with my wedges on. Or you can dress them down and you could have a nice little comfortable t-shirt with some sneakers or even some boots, and you could go hang out with your friends that way. Or you could use jeans to work in. You could really dress them down and use them to clean your room.
I always look for stuff that's timeless, and that's a good buy.
Hey, you could do anything in this outfit. You could play ping pong, or you can do a photo shoot.
Don't be afraid to wear what you want. If you see something out there that you want to wear, just do it. Who cares? Just go for it. You might really like it, and then really get into it.
The good thing about being a girl is that you can wear purses. So if you're having an outfit that's not really put together, all you have to do is literally add a purse, and it makes the outfit better.
With your clothes, you really need to have that punch of yourself in there. You gotta, you know, sock people in the face, but this is me.
Definitely don't fear color.
Cool shoes. Yeah, I'm really big on sneakers. Really nice cool shoes. You know,
You got some pretty dope jeans.
Yeah, I do.
Style is definitely what you make it. Make sure that you put your individual stamp on it, whether it's like 1,000 girls could have the same shirt, but if you add a necklace or adding a scarf, you can make it who you really are.
How many different pairs of jeans can you name?
There's skinny jeans, flares, distressed.
Distressed?
Yeah.
Like if you're feeling distressed?
No, distressed means like they're kind of tore up a little bit and they look like they've been worn down.
Those ones when you put them on, you get your feet caught in them and they
because they have holes. And then they have jean shorts, capris, Bermuda.
Bermuda?
Bermuda is the ones that come over your knee.
Are you wearing any bell-bottoms, flares today?
No. What's in for boys right now?
What's in for boys?
What about muscle shirts or
muscle shirts?
V-neck?
Well, if you're like a muscly dude, then
But you have muscle.
but I'm not like, you know.
So no muscle shirts for you?
No muscle shirts for me.
Just V-necks?
Just V-necks.
Nice. I know my brother. Let's go shopping. Okay, I'm going to show you some tips on how you can have Alex's style. Well, me and her kind of dress the same, so it's kind of my style too. Let's go. Definitely Alex would like something like this, but she definitely loves layers and cool colors to give it some pop. So this with some Converse and skinny jeans is a definite go. Okay, now this is Alex's definitely more casual look. She would probably wear this to school or studying or hanging out with her family at home. So this is Alex's casual look. Another thing Alex and I have in common is she loves wearing tights because you can wear it with basically anything, you know, add a cute, fun top with some cool colors in it, and it may seem a little sophisticated, but if you add like cool accessories and some Converse, it'll definitely be Alex. Okay, now this is Alex's probably more sophisticated look, you know, maybe something she would wear on a date. Okay, outfit number 3. Alex also has a kind of edgy side every now and then, so we definitely like, you know, adding something cool like this with a nice leather jacket. This would probably be Alex's edgier look, and then you can always add a cool purple hat or a fun color hat and something very Alex-like. Okay, so this is the last outfit and definitely my favorite outfit. This is probably what you'll see Alex wearing more for season 2. It's her more fun punk side to her. I actually like this outfit so much that I think I'm gonna buy it. So thank you so much for shopping with me, and I hope my tips helped you.